In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to accept credit card payments with PayPal on WooCommerce WordPress. If you're running an online store and want to allow customers to pay with Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or even their PayPal balance, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire setup process. The best part is, you don't need to manually copy and paste complicated API keys because WooCommerce and PayPal make the connection simple. By the end of this video, your store will be ready to accept secure credit card payments. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. This is where we're going to install the official PayPal plugin for WooCommerce. In the search bar at the top right, type WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Make sure you choose the official plugin developed by WooCommerce. Once you find it, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate. This plugin allows you to accept PayPal payments as well as direct credit card payments through PayPal's secure processing system. Once the plugin is activated, the next step is to connect your PayPal business account. From your dashboard, go to WooCommerce, then click Settings and navigate to the Payments tab. You'll see PayPal listed as an available payment method. Click the Finish Setup button next to PayPal. On the next screen, click the large blue Activate PayPal button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log in to your PayPal business account. Enter your PayPal business credentials, then click Agree and Connect. This step automatically syncs your PayPal account with WooCommerce, including your API credentials, so you don't have to manually generate or paste any keys. Once connected, WooCommerce will confirm that your account is linked successfully. Now let's make sure credit card payments are enabled properly. While still in WooCommerce, go to Settings, then Payments, and click on PayPal to open the full configuration page. Scroll down until you see the Standard Card button or Advanced Card Processing section. This is the feature that allows customers to enter their credit card details directly on your checkout page without needing a PayPal account. Make sure this option is enabled. You'll also see an environment dropdown at the top of the settings. If you're testing payments, switch this to Sandbox mode so you can run test transactions without charging real cards. When you're ready to go live and accept real payments, switch the environment to Live mode. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page after making any updates. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store can now accept credit card payments securely through PayPal. Customers will be able to check out using their credit or debit cards even if they don't have a PayPal account, which can significantly increase your conversion rates. If this video helped you set up PayPal on your WooCommerce WordPress site, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.